Will you hurry up? My truck's gotta go.
I charge extra for rush jobs, lady. We're changing the connector on this LED light to a DEUTSCH connector. Step 1. Void any warranty you thought you might have maybe possibly had. Strip the wires. Oh, this AI voice thing can get sexy sometimes. Enough of that. Splay the wires like this. Interlock them and twist together. Oh, that's nice. If you learn something, let me know. Like and subscribe, and be sure to check out my other content too. Soldering the joins is not essential, but recommended for good contact and looks professional. Oh my, that's hot. Remove the weather seals to run the wires through. Fit the terminal. Make sure to minimize the amount of exposed wires. If you did a join like me with 2 wires, it can be tricky to fit in the terminal. You can trim down the thickness to fit, then crimp it. After crimping, tug test the terminals to make sure they're on properly, then run the wires through the weather seal. Handy hint: female terminals, male connector; male pin terminals, female connector. Push the terminals in until it clicks. Lock them in and insert the tab. Don't forget to fit the seal until it's flush. Repeat the same for the other side's connector. Make sure to mirror the wiring pin out. Job done. Time for smoko.